Hi, my name is Allison. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install WpP Google Fonts to your WordPress site. This plugin is awesome because often themes only come with a set amount of fonts, but with this plugin you have access to all of the thousands of Google fonts and you can apply them across your WordPress site. So to get started, you're going to go to Plugins, Add New, and search for WP Google Fonts. Once you find it, it's this pink one right here, you can go ahead and click Install Now. Once it's installed, you can go to your installed plugins and activate it. Then, once it's activated, you can go into the settings and set your fonts across your site. So, as you can see, there are thousands of Google fonts that you can use. You can set the style and choose where you want the font to show up. You can do this for multiple fonts and make sure that your website is customized for how you want it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social.